Here we go. Try to rewire this. I already have my power wire going to negative, and my ground is ground. You can barely see what's here. So it's gonna take all this wire off and just figure out new places to which wire. Let me disconnect the negative so we don't get any sparks. So here's the toggle switch up here. Here's my pod. That's still working out. It's very flimsy, but yeah, let me just disconnect this wire here. There we go. This is one of the main wires, so I'll put it there for now. There's a negative, I think. Negative, but I'm also gonna test this. Don't worry, like if you see black and red wires or black red wire, it's called I ran out of positive wire and I have a lot of negative wire. But yeah, here we go. I'm gonna detach this. Try to make it as neat as I can. I got a lot of wire going around everywhere. Okay, this is negative. Okay, this is my toggle switch. I really don't need it, so leave that out. I don't know how I'm gonna fancy schmancy all this wiring, but I'm gonna put it somewhere. But right now, my bike light's saying turn it on. So this is all negative. This is here. This is a negative. This is ground. That's negative. Only thing I can really do is run up through here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. But yeah, one thing I can do is run it through here because right here is two wires that I need to connect to. But I got one wire here. This goes right to my battery. So this wire needs to say, I'll put it over here on plastic. So I know it's that one. So the ground wire, here's my light bar light. Just tuck it up here and hide it. I guess I'm trying to trim down most of the wire, but most of the way I can. Just tuck it up through here. And always everyone says, make sure you disconnect the battery. There's no power going to my bike, like where the wires are, so not really a big deal. But if you want to do that before I do, always, if you're working on anything on a car, motorcycle, always disconnect your battery terminal. Always. It's a smart idea. Trust me, I learned that the hard way. So right now I don't have the wire bobbers, but I think I have a, see what I mean? Red goes with red, black goes with black. Sometimes it's all mixed up, but you know, sometimes stuff doesn't have to be perfect. run this bad Larry through here. Gonna hide up most of the wires. Okay, where's this bad Larry? Okay, that bad Larry's there. Okay. Okay, what I can do, because I don't really need this, I need that to go here. Put this bad Larry here. Arrange. Make sure you still arrange it, make sure nothing touches. So this bad Larry right here, this is round. Not anything really. So I need this one bad Larry here. Run it through here. And maybe run it one more time. Enough room. Not positive, this is negative, so the negative goes here. Don't worry guys, I'll do this all with electrical tape. So let you guys know it works. So I took up some wires. So this is ground. Light works. Light works right here. I'm gonna touch it on this bolt. Light works. So right now, like this camera, I have no tripod, and this kind of sucks. But you see how much less wire is up here. Don't worry, I tried to mount it up here too. This didn't work, but better on the fender. My ground doesn't really matter what anything, but it seems like a good spot. It's really out of wire, but I'm gonna try to run it down. This is my front brake. I'm gonna run it down my front brake. There's a good spot where I'm right on my brake caliper that I'm gonna run it down. But I'm gonna try to, because I already melted that. So I'm gonna do, pull this bad Larry down here. Shit. There's a water bottle. But here we go. Take this ear here. There's gonna be a lot of wire covering. Analyzer. There's a second wire here. This is from my. I don't know if I can need it. So I'm just gonna hook this bad Larry back up. Make sure light still works. Light still works, so here we go. It looks good. And have this longer wire here. Connect here, side twist wires, you just twist them together. Wish I had shrink tube, heat tube, whatever the fuck that shit's called. Bring it down here. It's gonna be right next to my front brake. Should have used a shorter wire. Yep. Okay. Okay, whatever, fuck that wire. Run this down here. Need a wire that's gonna reach ground, but I do want some that will, that I can just tuck up here and boom. All my turning radius. It's fine. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm blind fucking idiot. So blind to share with the camera. But yep, all my turning radius is here. Seat's wired up, so I'll show you what I did. My phone's dying, but here's all my electric. My switches. Nope, I need to reconnect to this. There we go. See? Switch power. All this is connected. Here's my ground that runs through there. Also disconnect it. Yep, it's not gonna work. Alright. It'll be that way, bitch. Yeah, I found another way. That's my main way. But all the wire looks neat. Like it goes with it. Don't see that wire. Right there, that red wire runs through there. Runs around my air hood, my air fox thing. It wraps around the battery, goes around here, goes up through here. You can see it here. And it just runs up through here. All this wire up here is neat. I just need to rewrap it. And it looks neat. And here's all the access wire I had. Like I have more to do. Some more lights. I might just put a tail light. Put some wire. Might as well give this to my friend. See if you need a toggle switch. Or switch itself. I don't need it. So overall, this thing cost me $20. I found it at Wally World, or aka Walmart. But from the south, I always pick Wally World. But yeah, I'll give you. She's crooked. I'll tighten that bolt up. But yeah, I'll give you that front view look. In a second, let me just move the bike back over there where it's been parked, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. This wire, it's a long wire. Could have used that. Could have worked. I was looking for a longer wire. But yeah, here we go. Yeah, right now we're in my garage. That's a $70 40-inch light bar. That was supposed to be mounted on my truck, and I was mounted on my mom's car. Yeah, here's the bike with the light.